Alright guys, and now I show you how you can create your own animated video with your own animated character, okay? And this character, I show you now how we can create that. We go here to BlueWillow, and BlueWillow, it is almost the same thing like Midjourney, okay? But the difference is we don't have any limitations here like Midjourney, where we can create only 25 images and then we have to pay. Here in BlueWillow, everything you can make for free, okay? You find the link in the video description. And now we are looking for a beautiful girl with black hair or brown hair. Brown hair and green eyes. Beautiful lips. 28 years old. And then let's see what we get. And this is the final image we got, okay? We make this part a little bit faster. You can play around with the BlueWillow and then you will find out what are the best settings and how you can increase your picture, okay? But now we use this one here, and then we go to D-ID. I already showed you in another video how it works, okay? But now we want to use it with our own character here. Because the last time I showed you how to use a character, a pre-defined character here. And we click on Create Video. And now we see here the preset characters we have here. We go to Add here. And then we add our own character. Good, now here she is, okay? And I think the voice is good. Let's give it a try, but at first a text. Hi, I am Jenny and I'm really happy to know you in personal. Oh, I forgot. I was made 100% with AI. Okay. Now, can you give it a try?
Hi, I am Jenny, and I'm really happy to know you in personal. Oh, I forgot. I was made 100% with AI.
Good. Now we get different styles here. Assistant, chat, customer service, newscast, angry, cheerful, sad, excited, friendly.
Hi, I am Jenny, and I'm really happy to know you in personal. Oh, I forgot. I was made 100% with AI.
Yeah, that sounds much better, I think, okay? That sounds really good. You can also upload here your own audio voices if you're a girl, okay? But for me it's a little bit complicated. But you can also use some AI softwares where you can create more professional voiceovers for girls, okay? But now we do it with that, okay? This is enough for this video. Then we click here on Generate Video, but at first give the name here. Call it Jenny. Now Generate Video. It costs 1 credit to create a video. And then it takes a few seconds and now we get a video here, you can see.
Hi, I am Jenny, and I'm really happy to know you in personal. Oh, I forgot. I was made 100% with AI.
Wow, great. I really like it. You can use this girl or a boy or whatever you want. You can create an alien, or you can create something, your dog or whatever. And you can use that to presenting your stuff in your YouTube videos or presenting your services, your products or whatever. This is really cool. I think that is the very best software you can find at the moment to create realistic AI videos, okay? And I'm sure that this software will increase a lot in the future. We have so much possibilities with AI. If you have any special wishes or ideas or something that we can try here on my channel, just leave a comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe also to my channel, and then see you in the next tutorial. Bye!